Rick Rooks here, and today I'm installing the Hawke Grille on my yellow JK. Today this is the Hawke Grille. I'm going to replace the grill that I already have on here in place, and this will fit right here in this position. Install today is very simple. First you come up and remove the latches on your hood and open your hood up. Come over to your tool here and get your screwdriver. You walk up and it's very easy. Take your screwdriver and you put in these little holes right here and you flip these tabs up. This tab will remove and pull all the way out. You put them to the side. There is 6 of these little tabs in here, so you want to make sure you get every one. And undo them like that. Put your screwdriver down. You'll come over here to the side where your turn signals are, and you'll take these loose from inside. Just a small twist, and they pop out. Just like so. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay, once that is done, come over here and you just kind of lift up on the hood of the grill. Pull that back, pull it loose. Down at the bottom there's little slots and little tabs where the grill fits in. Pull that loose like so with a little bit of work. And pull the grill off. Very easy. Over here you have these little tabs on the side, which I've already pre-installed some of these. You'll take your metal clips and you put these at these positions right here. Also you have 2 up here by the turn signals. Just very easy. Push on and make sure they're all the way down. Okay, after removing your grill, place it on a table next to your grill that you're getting ready to install. You have 2 tabs on each side. These are your turn signals. Okay, you'll push the tab in and press down. Bring this off, wipe it off a little bit if it's got dirt or anything on it. You'll come over here to your new side and you'll slowly insert them in place until they lock. And that's that. And do the same thing on this side. Push these down, pull that piece off, and reinstall on this side over here. Everything is pretty much snap and play. Alright, remove this grill, get it out of the way, and install the new one. Again, lowering everything down, making sure it snaps into place and everything lines up. You'll go ahead and you'll push the tab back in place and lock these in place. Some of them are a little tighter than the others, but they just push right down. And the last one. And that's pretty much it. Everything is held in place. Then just go ahead and hook back up your turn signals. Okay, as you can see, the last move we got is to install the turn signal back in place. Again, just gently put it in there. Turn to the side till you get it in. Feel it snap in. Pause. Is it going? You'll feel it snap in and then twist up. And that's it. And that's pretty much it. That's all that's pretty much left to do. Again, just wipe it off. Last piece you have to install is your weather stripping for your hood. And that's the final move. And the last thing we do is install the weather stripping. If you look, try to center up the weather stripping as best as you can with the center of the grill. Lay it right up against the edge. And slowly, after you peel your tape, press it down firmly so that everything lines up. And that's it. There you have it.